Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office. So this is the first video in a series that will ultimately help you understand the PPO lifecycle and provide you with the necessary skills to either build your own lifecycle based on your organization's methodology or simply just to keep your existing life cycle updated. So in this video, we'll give you a short introduction of what a life cycle is, how to access the life cycle, show some interactivity, and also share the tools required to maintain your life cycle. To start off with, how to access the life cycle. So when logged into PPO, you click on the life cycle main menu. That takes you to what we call is the lifecycle landing page. So in short, the lifecycle is a visual representation of your organization's methodology. The lifecycle ultimately becomes the go-to place for any user that needs any guidance when it comes to any aspect within a project. Out of the box, PPO has a 6-phase landing page that has been applied. There is also a 4-phase that goes from initiating through to closing that can be switched within a click of a button. Okay, let's talk to some interactivity. So if I click through to the pre-initiating phase, that takes me to the swim lanes for that specific phase. So on the swim lanes, you can see who the key stakeholders are and which actions they need to address in order to get this project through the pre-initiating phase in order to move to initiating. If you click on any of these icons, so here's the additional interactivity. So I clicked on Produce Business Case. On the right-hand side, you'll then see a process step to produce the business case and a short description of that. We also have the ability to add links. So here you can see we have a link to a business case template. And if I click through to that, it takes me to the actual document view for that template in PPO where I can just download the physical file. To get back to my home page, I simply click on the home icon over here. And just to give you another couple of examples of all the aspects that you can incorporate into your life cycle. So as an example, we've got roles and responsibilities. If I drill through to that, it gives us the standard roles that you would have on a project for sponsor, owner, project manager. If you drill down even deeper, let me click through to project manager. It gives an overview of the responsibilities for the role, the involvement, and the authority that the project manager has. To get back to the home page again, if I just click on the home icon, if I just drill into the gate approvals as an example, this also gives you a great visual picture of your phases in your project and which statuses are aligned to whichever phase you are in. So if my project is in pre-initiating, my status can either be proposed, on hold, or rejected. If my project is initiating, my status can only be active, on hold, or completed. We also have a section here in the middle that's just an example of governance required for a project. So if I just go back to home, a last example that I'd like to show you is the templates button that we have over here. So if I click on templates, I've got a couple of links here for a business case, a project plan template, and a person can build onto these links to make life easier for your users. You can add links to external videos too. Last item to cover here, what you would need to maintain your life cycle is Microsoft Visio as well as PowerPoint. We also share an icon library that you guys can use unless you already have icons that you can use in your organization. In our next videos, we will cover how to build a lifecycle page from scratch, as well as how to make your lifecycle interactive. Thanks for watching.